Okay. Another day we're there. We just reached to the other junkyard. We're gonna see what we can get today. You know? Oh my god, like the last time I was here, it wasn't so much cars, and I to that entrance. I came to that side. I walked past a train track. Maybe that's why they fence off. But look at this. Look at this. Holy, you know what? The first Ford I saw. Let's look at it. Oh. Everything gone. The first Ford Missit Rastafari gone. So anyhow, I never have to pay for coming at this one, and then just give me 19 and 10. 19 where the Ford at, and 10 is where the Escape's at. No, I mean, yeah. 19 where the Escape, which is still Ford, and then 10 is where the Honda's at. So I don't know how they got their number or whatever structure, but this shit look different from here, you know? These cars are underground, bro. Like, these cars are underground, fam. Like, they're underground, honestly. Yo, they look more pull up than the one at Kenny U pull, but you maybe can find a lot more here than Kenny U pull, you know what I mean? But I don't know how he's gonna give me this and just say 19 and 10. Where am I supposed to find this 19 and 10? 19 and 10, where the numbers are. I can see the numbers on the fences down there, but I think I them there. Oh, that's 12 back there, so I should go back this way. So if that's 12, this must be 11, yeah, so. And the other one must be 10. I see number down there, so I see number 10 down there, so. I don't know if I saw them to the number, so let's go between the Honda, yeah. Because I see them have one Honda, yeah, so. Yes, my people, we're just here again to check out some parts for my 2007 Honda Accord, whatever, but I still need to get some really good aftermarket parts, like to make it so, make it loud, make it more, you know, attractive, and just something where we can just have put on for the summertime when the summer forward, you see me? I'm a fan of car. I love cars so much, but because of my job I never get the time to actually pull down any car and fix anything. But I was on the journey of doing that, and then I freaking get a promotion which drive me far from fixing cars, just to be busy on the road 24/7, traveling back and forth, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys, so this was one of the car I wanted, but yeah, for some reason they already took those two light. Mine smashed out, so those two light were between the license plate. That's what I wanted. So yeah, that's the first one we see so far. See on the inside, nice carpet, nice seats. The seats are freaking good. I might be come back and get seats last time. Look like you got some baby living in here, some big babies. Talking about raccoon, for who don't know. Like, seats are nice, man. Some of the seats them in the car, then you can go sell out, you know. Okay, so I think we're in 9. I don't know, man. They think we're gonna see all of this number in the back here. They not even have the number on the stick or something high up or something, so people could see. I really don't know, man. Honestly, it's not organized. We just have to just scan through. They say this is 10. Hopefully, could get something. Is this one? This one look like one of ours. Yeah, I think so. The compressor, man, them gone with the starter, gone with half of the engine. This is one thing I hate with these type of car. You see, if you don't really if you open your hood, if you open your bonnet, why? If you open your bonnet and the wind take it, this goes straight in the fucking glass. That's with the fucking 2700 car. You have to make sure you know what you do. Yeah, so this is one I want. Let's see what, guys. Look how we just pull up on. Look what we just pull up on. Huh? You want to see this? Look what we just pull up on, guys. And I'm going to try to show you. So, these are the first task we're going to get done. So, let me get set up and then situate myself. Seeing? Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, so welcome back again. I don't know if I carry the right tool to pull this off, because I originally came to freaking pull, sorry guys, I originally come here to pull off my 2014 headlight, but we don't know if what we have can pull that, right? So let's check it out. Let's see one of these small sockets. I carry a T30, an 8 socket, a smaller thing to make it smaller. I carry a 7 socket and 10. Just something regular. I'm gonna try the smallest, which is 8. No, 7. I'm gonna try 7 still. See what that work. 7 will work, so I'll try 10. 10 too big. I'll try 8. 8 fit. So we in luck today. Let's pull this shit off. See? And you don't know, this carry a good way and a long way. You see what I say? See him. So, let me show you what I go on. As for the pulling process, it's gonna take like 3 screws, 8mm screws. One right there, so one right there, so. And one right there, so one right there, so. One right there, so. And then hopefully, I just pull it out. Alright? So stay tuned. ready and done. Good job. Yeah, so now we finish aisle 10, and I guess we're gonna move on to aisle 19 and see what's there for us. But first, we're still gonna check out and see what go on for aisle 10. See if they have more stuff for the Honda Civic, the Honda card. I'm sitting on the my nose the whole time. Sorry guys. Alright, so that's it. Stay tuned. Okay, get our parts. Let's check out something on the other one. We're out of here to the next one. That's pretty good. It's a nice Fiat right there. The only Honda that was there really, and it has the headlight that I needed. Crash Bimmers. This car crashed real bad over here, man. So we're at 10. Now we have to go find 14. Hopefully we get good in luck. It's 12. It says 14 right here. 14 DC. There. On the other section you can see the numbers on the trailer and thing. Over there 16, yeah, so that one I should have been a 17, but this is a 18, yeah, so they come like me can't count, or them money I can't count. Let's see how I go on. That one is a 19. That one is a 19, so let's check out that one. I like how them do the stand, you see me? Them literally welded another rim on top of the rim. Keep the car them balance. But the check say, Kenny you pull off that style here alone. I come here, come see it again. Look at that gem, bro. Look at this dodge, bro. Jeez. You can tell that this car ram stock. Like so much of this car in the city, the man they ram stock this engine, everything gone. Front end, front wheel, front this, front that. So we came through here and there wasn't nothing. I think this lot says 16. If we go a few more over, this one is 17. This one should be 18. And then we're there 19 in the other section, which, look on the first bumbo cloth one we see. No front end to Rastafari. No front end to blood clot. You see that? Inside the car, nice. Everything in the hot in her ass. Damn, they cut off pieces. Like, I didn't know you could cut shit. Oh no, man. I'm salting these Ford Escape. Like, I have no luck on these Ford Escapes. It's like, and the parts in is pretty cheap, but he's a man me like for pull on my car, fix them up back here, you see me? Yeah man, me I'm not a mechanic, we just learn as we go down. Aye boss. But me never have luck to get a Ford Escape to pull out the rotted thing I need. Look on the car. The back of the car look good, and then the front of the car gone. Take off a whole front end. I think our luck and headlight is gone. And get no more luck. We only find this. And I'm also thinking to go back there to pull something else, which is like the crash bar, because that red car look like it not much rust, and the crash bar and it look good. I needed that crash bar too. Mirrors clad. Look at the man them come take out the whole of the front end when me try to get. Look, these are the guys, they just pull it off, you know. To bumbo clad. They first me, bro. Yo, that is so crazy, fam. Like, fam, if I came here early this morning, bro, I would have been in the best of luck. They literally just cut this shit off, bro. Oh no. My luck is gone. They took the engine out and everything. Oh my god, I can't believe this. See? I can tell you, if you do something, you do it. Because somebody else are going to do it and take it away from you. You see me? I don't think there is no other more option around. The yard don't look well organized for me to be like, I can't believe this. Like yo, my head and my fucking shambles right now. Like, look at the fucking headlight. That's such a nice fucking headlight right there. Like, bumbleclaw. If I came here this morning, you know, I said I was gonna come here this morning and look, they just take off exactly what I fucking paid for. And the only car is back there too. Ugh. That's a good one though, good find. Oh my god. I don't think there's another one, but man, let's go to the back and look, because they even got the tractor coming behind me to come freaking lift this shit out. Like, yo, jeez. I want to cry, but you know, that's what junkyard is all about. You have to first other people. Oh my god, you see that headlight is so nice. Perfect front end, bro. Perfect front end. It's gonna just slap that on, throw in the engine, transmission, and you're good to go, you know. At least I never came, and I'm not gonna leave dry-handed. But I think I should go back to that. You know what's so crazy? There are numbers actually on this side, which are not like numbers that's count off from that side, but like fresh numbers. And I think I'm at 17, 18. I think this is where some unders are. So let's go check it in. Let's go check it out. Because as you see, they got 20 on that side over here. So I think this side should be 18. So let's see. Still looking at, 19. The Ford Escape. Let's see, the Ford Escape is on this side. Them cars look like them over here for a long time. Yo, my head is shaking, man. I'm shoving. Yo, John Star. Yo. People, that's a great example to show you, say, whatever your mind tell you, what the heck your mind tell you to do, you do that shit. Alright, boss. Because if I was came here this morning, if I came here and follow me, You know what? Good find, man. But you know, I wanted it. I wanted it for years. I wanted to come and do this. And I tell myself, you know what? Me not come here so first. I'm going to Kenny U Pull because Kenny U Pull emailed me and said they have the car there. They email me and tell me they have the car. So I'm like, yes. Look, there's another one here too. I get another 2 light here too. But this is what I want. And this is not so bad. I'll take this one because it's already freaking out. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna take this one. There's dirt in it. I'll rub it down, brush it down. It's not so bad. Look at us here. The crash bar. Yeah, I needed that. I needed that, guys. And that's a black Honda Accord. We're pulling that out today. See? Let's go. Let me set up.